Namaste. Good morning, children. Today we'll take Super Yogasana. You know that Super Yogasana, 5 asanas plus pranayama, including pranayama. This is totally 6 asanas. We can practice. Okay, that's why only standing, sitting, supine position, back bending asanas, all the asanas should be joined. Super yogasana, this is effective of your body and re-energize, and your mind and body should be relaxed, and immunity power should be improved. This is all exercise, and weight loss also, and weight loss improve your health. Some health issues also we can improve for yogasana. Daily yogasana you can practice. Okay, before yoga super yogasana start, we'll start for the warm up as usual. Yes, right. First one, neck part. Yes, neck rotation, side. Yes, slowly stretch your neck, side to side, right side and left side, right right side and left side. Yes, up and down, slowly stretch, up and down. Yes, neck rotation, right to left, clockwise, slowly rotate. So be careful. Yes, change your direction. Yes, hands rotation, forward, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Yes, shoulder rotation, forward. Yes, anti-clockwise. Yes. Next, trunk twist. Okay, sideways. Yes, left side and right side. Yes, trunk rotation. Spread out your leg. Full body trunk rotation. Yes, slowly rotate clockwise. Backward, forward. Change your direction. On the four side, your trunk rotate your body. Yes, yes. Next, your knee rotation. Yes, slowly, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next change, ankle rotation. Right leg, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Left leg. Yes. Next. Yes. Now start Super Yogasana. First one, Adon Mukhasana. Downwards, dog face. Yes. Slowly lie down. Yes. And should be step one. Yes. Dog. Dog pose. First one. Yes. Adon Mukhasana. Your leg and comfortably you can stand. Yes. Take deep inhale and raise your knees. Step two. Yes. Exhale and neck should be between the hands inside and raise your heels. Step three. Exhale. Same position. 10 count. Normal breathing. 1, 2. Hold on. 10 count. 2, 3,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, slowly release. Your neck should be released and your knee down. Yes. Slowly relax in Vajrasana. Adon Mukhasana, downwards face dog. Okay, your column and brain and help to your release stress and mind depression, energize, re-energize. This all of the this Adon Mukhasana is very good effective asana. Your back muscles and your toe and your thigh muscles should be stretched and very good effective asana. Okay, next one is Pashva Konasana, Tadasana position, Pashva Konasana, Tadasana, count number 1, left leg should be back, right leg should be knee bend. Count number 1, stretch left leg should be back. Count number 2, hands stretch and your left leg ankle should be turned. Count number 2. Okay, count number 2. Count number 3, your right hand elbow should be touched for the support of your right leg side and left hand should be forward. Pashva Konasana. This is effective of your left leg should be stretched back and right leg should be bend your knees 90 degree and left hand should be stretched forward. Okay, your body weight should be right leg and right hand elbows. Yes, stretch forward as much possible. Yes, 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale. Exhale. Yes. Coming back to position. Same as it is. Right leg back. Count number 1. Count number 2. Turn your ankle. The right side. And stretch forward. Count number 3. Stretch forward and bend your knees 90 degree. Right leg should be stretched and right hand. Yes, your left leg and left hand should be stretched and left hand should be supporting for the your body and right hand should be forward. 4th step and look at the palm stride. Yes, Pavan, Pashva Konasana. Yes, stretch your body. Your left leg should be bent 90 degree and right leg should be stretched. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale. Exhale and relax. Yes, Pashva Konasana is strengthen for the your leg, knee and ankle. Strengthen for your spinal cord, chest and lungs. Strengthen for your abdominal organs. This is the effective of your body. Strengthen for the abdominal organs. Stimulate for the stimulate and strengthen for the abdominal organs. Okay, this next one, third one, yes, third one, Baddha Konasana. Baddha Konasana. Both the legs should be stretched and sit straight. Dandasana. Deep inhale and exhale, and both the legs should be stretched inside and bent, and both the leg palms should be joined. Count number 1. Count number 2. Your hand should be locked inside interlock and holding for the your both the leg. Okay, straightly how much possible your stretches your body should be inside and upper body should be straight. This is the Baddha Konasana. Yes, you try to touch your knee should be floor and your yes same position. Upper body should be straight. Don't bend your upper body and 10 count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. This is good and effective of your body. Yes. Try to touch your forehead. Slowly relax. Baddha Konasana is very good, effective. Adductor muscles and your thigh, knee, ankle muscles should be stretched, and back spinal cords also stretch your spinal cord muscles. Okay, this one is good, effective asanas. After the Baddha Konasana, Purna Meru Dandasana. Stretch your legs forward. Purna, fourth one. Purna Meru Dandasana. Stretch your legs straight. Join your feet. Yes. Slowly your upper body should be lie down. Count number 1. Your hand should be touch the mat. Count number 2. Count number 3. Exhale and raise your 45 degree, your leg upward, only 45 degree, and hold on for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Relax and come back to position. This Purna Meru Dandasana is good, effective asana. Stretch your neck to toe. Go neck to toe is stretch your muscles, and abdominal muscles also stretch. This Purna Meru Dandasana is effective of abdominal part organs should be stretches. Okay. Next one, Balasana, fifth one. Coming to Vajrasana Sthiti. Yes. Balasana, child pose. Yes. Your stretch, your knee should be stretched 1 feet. Yes. Deep position 1. Position 2. Inhale and raise your hands above the head. And exhale and bend your body forward, and your forehead should be touch the mat, and both the hands should be stretched forward. Your feet should be touch the stretch your body. Yes, same posture. But hold on for the pose for is Balasana. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. Come back. Exhale. Yes, Balasana is good, effective asana. It's re-energize and central nervous system. You should be controlling for the central nervous system throughout all muscles, body muscles relax, and your body and mind also. This Balasana should be relaxing poses and controlling for the nervous system. Okay, this one, all the 5 asana. After the 5 asanas, coming to Padmasana, or yes, Padmasana Sthiti, Pranayama, one Pranayama, yes. Who have doing Padmasana, you can do, otherwise Sukhasana, you'll sit, no problem, yes. And Chinmudra, Pranayama, deep inhale and exhale. Today Pranayama, yes. Sitali, Siti Karna is cooling your body. For Sitali Siti Karna, you can effective Pranayama. Your tongue should be out, and you fold your tongue for the like this. Okay, you fold your tongue and inhale for the tongue and exhale for the nose. Okay, yes, 10 times you can do this. Your body should be relaxed and cool. Your body automatically cool. Okay, ready children? Inhale, exhale, close your eyes. Exhale. Sitali, Siti Karna, you can practice morning, evening. Your body should be, heat sensation should be cool, and your body, entire body system should be relaxed and cool. This Sitali, Siti Karna is good pranayama posture. This one is, your body should be like a cool. Okay, this effective of your asana, all the 6 asana should be super yogasana, should be effective of your mind, and body should be relaxed, and mind and body should be relaxed. Okay, slowly release your leg and stretch your legs sidewards, and yes, slowly Shavasana. Yes, both the hands should be, palm should be upwards. Slowly relax. Next right. Close your eyes. 10 to 15 minutes. You can relax your body and observe, inhale and exhale. Slowly relax your body, observe, breathe in and breathe out. Normal breathe in and breathe out. Blood circulation should be improved. Slowly turn to the right side. After the Shavasana, your body should be relaxed, and this super yoga is very good, effective of your asana, your daily yogasana. All the asana should be including this pranayama, including pranayama is good, effective of your body. Daily children, you can do practice for super yoga and energy, and your body, mind and relax, and effective of your body should be reduce the your body weight loss, and your body should be fit, and yes, This all the benefit you can take for the Super Yogasana. Yes, thank you. Dhanyavad.